Hi, my name's Anne, and I have been a patient of Dr. Van Scoyoc since 2011. I came here at the recommendation of a general dentist who noticed that I had inflamed gums. I was just impressed by the kindness and the air of confidence that he had, and the amount of professionalism. He made me feel right at home, as did his staff. And from there, I went on to have implants done. And I was quite scared of that because my brother had had an implant done in Boston and it had not worked out, and it was a very bad experience. And so everything was explained from the beginning to the end, and they told me that it would work out, and they said that you're going to be in periodontal boot camp after, which I had never heard of anything like that in a dentist's office, where they said, we're going to give you the equipment, we're going to show you how to do it. And so I came, I submitted myself, and I have never been sorry. Everything just works here. So I suggest that if you have any trepidation, get rid of it, put your foot in the door, and you'll never want to go anywhere else.